Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to another video here. My name is Liz. So before we actually start with the video, I just want to mention that I am giving away 2 free invite codes for FORTNITE Mobile. So if you want one and you want to play with me on FORTNITE Mobile, go ahead and click the subscribe button, like, comment, and share this video. And wait until Friday around 12 p.m. Pacific Coast time, and I will be releasing 2 direct invite links for FORTNITE Mobile. So everyone has a chance, and that's about it. Just make sure you are here Friday at 12 p.m. Pacific Coast time for those 2 links. And I hope you remember, and I hope 2 lucky winners will win. And that's about it. And you just go to the link here and redeem my invite, make a new account, or use your current PS4 or Xbox account. And that's it. That is about it. Let's get into the actual video. Here we are at the lobby of FORTNITE Mobile here. My name is Liz Kills. If you want to go ahead and add me, hopefully we could play. Good luck to everybody on the giveaway here for the FORTNITE invite codes. I will be releasing the 2 direct links for the FORTNITE codes on Friday, March 30th. So in a few days from now. Remember, I will be releasing in the comment section, so 2 lucky people will actually win those codes. Good luck to everybody. Let me know if you actually redeemed the code. Let's go ahead. We are in game mode, so let's go ahead and play. Hopefully I could get some good kills. You know, that's always the goal for me. I started playing like this past Saturday, so I'm not a pro or anything, but you know what? Hopefully I'll get there. So, you know, trying to get that victory win. Although last time I came so close to it and I was like 2nd place. So, you know, when I lost, it's devastating. Like, especially if, you know, you're very competitive. It's hard. Like, alright, so here we are. Why is that guy shooting me? You know what I wish we could actually do? Like, if only we could actually kill each other here and then, like, spawn back. Like, nothing happened. Or, like, I don't know. I just feel like it's just so boring here sometimes and you can't actually kill people. Where should I go? Should I go to Salty Springs? Okay, let's go to Salty Springs. Why are a lot of people playing today? I'll just go here. I don't hear anybody. Oops. Is this better or the AK? I don't even know anymore. I wish we could actually carry more stuff. Well, I'm not sure where everyone's at. Oops. I do it on purpose so that people could actually come. I think I saw somebody. Okay, I don't see anybody. Come on. I'm trying to find people, but I'm just gonna go up this hill. See if I can find somebody over there. Oh. Wow. He came out of nowhere. He probably came from above. Whatever. Screw you. This game is so hard, like I said. But anyways, I think, you know what? Like, I come too close every time. But it's just very hard. So, I mean, it's really fun. Try it out. Good luck to everybody on the Fortnite giveaway. Codes there. 2 lucky winners will win, and I'll go ahead and leave those 2 links in the comment section on Friday, March 30th. So, good luck, and remember to subscribe and comment below and like this video. And that is about it. So, hopefully next time I could actually bring a better gameplay to the table, but I think this will suffice for now for this video. So, you know, hopefully I will improve as time goes by. But that is about it. I hope you liked it. Go ahead and add me. And that is about it. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye. Or should I say, peace.